I'm Neil Silvert from Peat Sorb. Today we're going to demonstrate our Peat Sorb hydrocarbon absorbent. There's nothing like it in the world. You will see that it starts to absorb the hydrocarbon on contact, but in fact it's actually encapsulating it. There's no leaching, there's no leaking. An all natural Canadian made product, Peat Sorb. First of all, let's measure out 5 ounces of Peat Sorb. So we have an empty bowl at 6.1 ounces. Let's add in 5 ounces of material. And there you have exactly 5 ounces of Peat Sorb. We have here 8 ounces of 10W30 oil, simple oil. We'll make a spill. We'll pour on the 5 ounces of Peat Sorb. And instantly, it starts to absorb the product. Give it a couple of seconds to get started. You can see it's getting dark already. It's absorbing. And instantly, the hydrocarbon, in this case oil, is absorbed, fully absorbed. The floor is dry. So now, you might say, well, why did you use so much? Well, the first thing is to get rid of the hazard safely. But let me pour in another 8 ounces of 10W30 oil, and let's see if the used Peat Sorb will again absorb this, or do we need extra? So we just move the used Peat Sorb on. And there you go, instantly absorbed again. 5 ounces of Peat Sorb, 16 ounces of hydrocarbon. Is it economical? It absolutely is. So we've dried up the hydrocarbon quickly. This is dry. So let's see if it leaches. So I will take this strainer, put in some of the actual used Peat Sorb, take some water and pour it through. And you will see crystal clear water. No rainbow, no sheen, no leaching. That's Peat Sorb.